Well, hi there. I'm Kristen. I'm with One Focus Property Management, and I'm about to take you on the tour of 16 North Jones Street in Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. This amazing single family home has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, so let's go. So we are starting the tour outside so you can take a look at the surrounding neighborhood and the beautiful exterior of this home. And when you come up through this set of steps here, you have this beautiful, beautiful porch. There is plenty of room to put a nice little patio set out here, maybe a little lounge set so you can sit and enjoy the outside anytime you want to. And we're going to go through this door right here, and this leads you right into your beautiful kitchen. I love the shades of gray in here. I love how it offers this beautiful neutral palette with the white appliances, the gray cabinets, that slightly blue-gray wall. You can turn this into whatever color palette you want because you have such a beautiful neutral space. It's also very well lit. And if you want like a little breakfast bar situation, you certainly could, or a little rolling island cart would look amazing in here. And if all of these cabinets are not enough, by golly, you have the biggest food storage ever. Now you can use this for more than just food, but this is such a wonderful, helpful place to be able to store extra food items, paper products, anything really you could put in there. Now we're going to keep on walking through here, but before we go here, I'm going to pop into this door here and show off the first full bathroom. You have a beautiful double vanity. I also love that the color palette is throughout this entire home, and you're going to see this theme of this beautiful gray and then that blue-gray color on the walls. Not only a double vanity, but you have 2 medicine cabinet mirrors. All the room in the world for your medicine cabinet items. And then you have a full-size bathtub and a beautiful shower head up there. And if that's not enough, you have your included washer and dryer. You also have outside access, which is really great, especially if you want to use this as a mudroom and coming in through here. That is super helpful, but I love the separation of this beautiful space. Now let's keep going out here because we've got to come into our dining room, and I would call this a dining room because you can walk in through here. You can put a beautiful dining room table set here, a gorgeous vanity hutch situation over here, and you have a fully outfitted dining room for all of your needs if you're into that thing. You can use the space however you want, but you know I love to throw an idea out there if you've watched our videos. Access to your panel box is here, and then you have a dirt floor basement down there. If you've watched any of our videos, you'll know when it's dirt floor, your girl doesn't go down there. You can certainly look for yourself. Now we have our living room space here, and this is also just equally as beautiful as everything else we've seen so far. I can see a huge, like a U-shaped couch right here, and then throw an entertainment center up over here for a really comfortable space. You also have an exterior access here that'll take you right to Jones Street. And we're going to circle up and go right upstairs. Immediately at the top, we have a nice broad space here, which I love. And it takes you right into your second bathroom. Single vanity, but the vibe is still there, guys. And then you have a beautiful stand-up shower. And there's even a little window here that's been expertly covered so you get the light, but people can't see inside. Coming into our first bedroom, this is the smallest of the 3. I would say this is probably suitable for no bigger than about a full-size bed. But you do have a really wonderful closet. This is definitely deep enough if you slid a dresser in here, you'd still use this. That would really maximize your storage here. And in the second bedroom, and this would be the middle bedroom, I would think you can do a full, maybe a queen, depending on your spatial needs in here. And this also has a really nice and well-lit closet, by the way. Lights in closets is a forgotten friend, but not here, guys, not here. And then last but not least, actually, I take that back because I gotta show you what this situation is. It's very surprising. It is a fantastic little storage space with a light and everything. Now this is an access panel. If they ever have to get up in there, it's a space that they can do that. It is not feasible for storage, but this cutesy closet is. And then finally, last but not least, you have your, what I would call the master bedroom, because it is the largest. You could certainly do a king size bed in here. I love this little inlet here because this would be a really great spot for a dresser. And then I would imagine either a bed here or a bed here. And then you have your fantastic closet all outfitted with some shelves, a hang bar, and a really great storage solution. Didn't I nail it when I said this place was amazing? The only thing that's missing here is you calling it home. So what you need to do to make this the next place that you're calling home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about the property. You can book your tour and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office. It's 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website or give us a call today because I am anxious to help you make this your home.